26. Text replacement. Your iPhone has a text replacement feature that lets you type just a few characters rather than spending forever typing a complete phrase or sentence. Simply follow this step to set up your text replacement feature on your iPhone. Start the Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General. Next, tap Keyboard. On tap Text Replacement. Tap the plus on the top right corner. In the phrase field, enter the word or phrase you want to create a shortcut for. It's in the shortcut field, enter the text you want to replace by the phrase. Finally, tap on Saved located at the top right hand corner. Now, anytime you type a shortcut on any text field, your iPhone will replace it with the phrase after you hit the space bar. Number 27. Hey Siri. You want to use without pressing any button? Well, simply enable Hey Siri feature. Simply follow these steps. Start the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Siri and search toggle on listen for Hey Siri. Super tip: if you ever misplace your iPhone at home, just shout Hey Siri and you should hear a beep. Keep doing it until they locate your phone. Number 28. Teach Siri how to correctly pronounce name. Siri may not be pronouncing your friend's name properly, but you can fix that simply following these steps. Press the side button or say Hey Siri. To activate Siri, say that's not how you pronounce or your friend's name you want to say. Say your friend's name. Siri will suggest 4 pronunciation options. Pick the right pronunciations. Number 29. Set custom vibration. You may already have custom ringtones. Why